Here is a Mazda CX-5. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory. Now that's the light right over there. The way to access the bulb is you have to first open up the hatch, and right over there you'll find an access panel over there, and there's one on the other side right over there. You will need to get a flathead screwdriver and put it right in that slot over there and pry it out. Then put one in the other slot and pry that out, and pry it out and get your finger behind it over there. Right, get your finger in. Same thing on the other side, pry it and get one finger in there, and then just grab the panel and pull it out. That edge goes underneath over there. Now that's the reverse light bulb. Grab it and twist it left. Just twist it left and now it's loose. Pull it out, and that's the bulb right there. To get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle it, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is right there on it, 921. Again, 921. Get the new 921 size bulb, align it, push it, and you're done. Let's put it back in. Now when you put in the bulb holder back in, just note that it should sit in flush. Like, you should like drop right in like that. Only when it looks like this, just grab it and twist it right, and you'll hear like a click when you lock it, and that's it. Now it's good. Let's put the panel back on with that edge sticking out. Yep, that side goes in first. Slide it in, align everything, push it, clip, and you are done. That's it.